So I love products that help make life easier and safer at home, at work, and on the go. That's why you need to know about these by iClever. These desktop power strips in the BoostStrip series by iClever are reliable and solve your previous powering and charging problems. This model features separate switch control, 4 USB and 3 AC outlets. If the current exceeds threshold, the circuit breaks off, which will prevent plugged-in devices from fire, sparks, or other damages. In fact, this is made from fireproof materials. This model features 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports and is ultra compact for travel. If voltage fluctuates, swells, or spikes, this will also keep my plugged-in devices safe. These iClever power strips make previous power problems history.